Do you know which Unlinked code has the best live sports applications? If you don't, then watch this video right up to the end because I'm going to show you different options and then from there we can choose. Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you different Unlinked codes and we can choose which of these Unlinked codes have the best live sports applications for you. So if your goal is on Android TV is to get the best or more live sports applications, then this video is for you. Watch it right up to the end because I'm going to be showing you everything.
Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Link TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue.
Now let's get started. Before we go ahead, we need to install the Unlink and the download application to our Android TV because we need the Unlink application to type in the codes and we need the download application to install Unlink. If you already have these applications on your Android TV, you can skip this part of the video and move right up to the end. But if you don't, then please follow attentively as I show you how to install the Unlink application. Now, to install the Unlink application, we need the download application. So let's start by installing downloader. And again, I repeat, if you already have the download application or the Unlink application, you can skip the video right up to the end. But if you don't, then follow me attentively. To install the download application, what you have to do is to go over to your browser. And hey, before I forget, this is for those who don't have Google Play Store. If you have the Google Play Store application, you just go over to your Google Play Store and search for the application on it and install. But if you don't have Google Play Store on your Android TV, then do what I just did. Go over to your browser. Any of the browser is perfect. On your browser, you are going to search download application and you're going to see it as a result here. So this is an option that's going to lead you to the web version of Google Play, and yes, you can install the application from there to your Android TV, given that your TV is an Android TV. So just go over here and click install and the application is going to start installing straight away. As I repeat, this only works for TVs that has an Android operating system. If your TV is not an Android TV, this might not work for you. So once you go over here and search for the application, you can go ahead and install it just like I just did. Once you're done installing it, we're going to open and launch. Now once you go over to your downloader for your first time, this is how it looks like. The reason we install downloader is for us to use downloader and install the Unlinked application. So to install Unlinked, what we have to do is go over to the download search box and type in this code. The code is a simple code, it's 10381. That is the code. We just type in the code and then we launch. What is going to happen is that this code is going to go straight away to downloading the Unlinked application. Once it's done downloading, we can install it to our Android TV without any issues. This is very simple. So here's the application Unlinked. I'm going to download the file to our Android TV in just a moment. So it's going to start downloading right now, and here's it downloading. Once the application is downloaded here, what we have to do is just to click on the install application, then install to our Android TV. So just click install and then wait for it to be installed. This one is installed, just don't go ahead and open it. Please click done, delete the app file from your Android TV to save space, and then now we can return to our apps where the applications have been installed. So that's how to install the downloader Unlinked application. Now let's get into business. Here's the application Unlinked. We're going to launch it. Now we know Unlinked will work with library, and for this video I just want to repeat that we're looking for a library that has the best live sports applications. So if your goal is live sports applications, then let's go ahead and see which of these libraries has the best live sports application. So to do that, we're going to type in the first option of library, and which is, so the first category or library I'm going to type is called firestick. And once you type in, please type it like this, no spaces, and then click on OK or enter, and it's going to bring you to this library. And yes, this library is up to date. As a matter of fact, the applications here are lastly updated in August. I am creating this video in August. Now I'm going to be blurring this because some applications here might give my video a problem, so please just bear with me, but I'm going to try my best to explain everything. So once you launch a library, just go over to the categories and then you scroll down. Now there's a category that says best sports apps. This is the category number 10, and remember, for this video is for sports apps, so we are going to count how many sports apps are here. So the first option is best sports apps, and we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10 different sports apps here. But if you go over to live sports app, you can count more. There are going to be more live sports applications here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this library, we have 10 different live sports apps. That's 10 different options for you as on your Android TV. So you can go over here and choose which one you want to your Android TV. There are 10 different options for you for best sports applications in this library. So you can choose any one you want. Now, this is for the first. Remember, in this video, I told you I'm going to give you different Unlinked codes, and then from there we're going to figure out which is the best for sports app. So let's move on to the second option. So the second option is a different library code, and for me it is my favorite library code. This is the library code I use the most. So you go over here and type in this name, everything without any spaces. Please type in the name completely, and you can go ahead and launch. And yes, this library is also updated to the latest month possible. And once you launch enter, sorry, I am still going to be blurring this, we're looking for live spot. So we're going to scroll down to categories and keep scrolling down till you see a category that says live spot. So if you come over to the category here, this is sports, and it shows you all the different sports apps. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this library, there are only 8 different live sports applications. Meanwhile, in the previous library, we had 10 different options. So this one has just 8. So if your goal on Android TV is looking for sports app, then the first option is your best option because it has more sports apps or more options for sports than this library. So what you are going to do is to go back to the first library that we used, because that was the best one for that was the best library for sport because it has more sport applications. Look over here, you see there are 10 different options. Now the question you might be asking me is, how do you install an application here? How do you download an application from a library? If you don't know how to download an application, it is simple. Just go over to the application you want to download. Let's say I want to download this particular application. I click on it and I click download, and then you are going to see a percentage on the application, and then it's going to download the application. Once it's done downloading, the install application is going to come on. I can just go ahead and install the application to your Android TV. And that's how to download and install any application from a library without any issues. So if you find the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So once you download the application, you can go ahead and click install, and the application is installed to our Android TV. And that's how to download and install any application from any of this library. So in conclusion, the best library or the best Unlinked library for live sport application is this first one that we type, which is Firestick, because it has 10 different sports apps for you.